go before the board and you say, this project makes perfect sense in all normal respects, you would analyze a project, but I really can't quantify for you the permitting risk. I don't know if it's 4 years or 3 years or 2 years. I can hire the best lawyers. We can write the best briefs, but that is just, and it shouldn't be this way. And, you know, NEPA and the Clean Water Act are important, and no one wants to do away with those. I mean, they have meant a lot to the health and safety of our nation, and, you know, we're investing in 60-year, 100-year assets. A matter of de-risking that future is to take care of the environment, right? And I don't think anyone doesn't believe that. But what's happened is those laws have really been weaponized, and the complete uncertainty about what's going to happen is just, it's killed a number of projects. MVP, but for literally an act of Congress, we wouldn't have MVP. And whereas, Alan, I think if you look at what's happened to the price differentials in Zone 5 on your system, once MVP came in, it's been really good for millions of Americans. So I think there are some very tailored steps to fix both NEPA and the Clean Water Act to preserve their important role, but to really take away the levels of uncertainty, because you said this, someone said this earlier, what you need is durable. If we're making 30, 40-year investments, we really need policy that is durable, and I think we need to be thoughtful and tailored. We need to appeal to folks in both parties to really say, restore these important laws to their intended purpose and rein in, and you can't, look, CEQs put some things out, there'll be an executive order here and there, but that's not durable, right? And that's gonna be litigated, and that's what causes the delay. So, but getting infrastructure built with some level of certainty, and another thing Alan said, and I think this is real important, there's not a lot of technology risk in what we need to do to deliver natural gas energy affordably and reliably to this country. It's pipes and valves and linear construction, which we're really, really good at. And so I think, you know, if we get rid of things, the permitting delay and the uncertainty and the costs that come with that, I think that's probably the most important thing. A lot going on in production, a lot going on in my business on the distribution end, but it is connecting the dot between, you're trying to move a physical commodity to where the demand is, and it's midstream infrastructure.